To deploy apps on Jekyo, you must have Node.js, npm, and Git installed. You can find more details about the local setup in the description below. If it's your first time using Jekyo, you need to install it, create an account, and sign in. All of these can be done from your terminal. To install Jekyo, run npm install pass the global flag Jekyo. To create an account, run Jekyo user sign up and follow the instructions. And to sign in, run Jekyo user sign in and then input your username and password. You can run Jekyo help for more information about commands. This tutorial covers two scenarios: creating and deploying a sample Saber app and configuring and deploying an existing Saber app. To create a Saber app, run Jekyo create. This will show you a list of many different frameworks. Selecting one will clone a pre-configured basic sample app that you can build upon. So go ahead and select Saber using the arrows on your keyboard. Name your application anything you want. Saber demo. Now you can see that in the folder you are working in, there's a new one with the name you've just given and the app inside of it. To deploy this app, first navigate to its directory. So run cd Saber demo and then simply run Jekyo deploy. Now the app is deployed and you can follow the link to see it is live on Jekyo. If you want to redeploy this app after you've modified it, commit your changes and simply run Jekyo deploy again. To deploy an existing Saber app, first navigate to its directory, cd my Saber. It's the same app as before, except the necessary configuration. Now I'm in the app's root. This needs to be a Git repository. If you haven't done so already, make your first commit by running git init, git add dot, which is short for all, and git commit initial commit. If this was already a Git repository, skip that last step. Next, you must edit the file called package.json, which should be in the root of your app. In scripts, you should have a start line that looks like this, with the two commands npm run build and npm run dev. And in dev, you must also specify the necessary port and host by passing the two flags, port and port variable and host variable. Please note that your theme should also be listed as a dependency, like so. Go ahead and save the file, add it to git package.json, and commit your change. Now run Jekyo create. From the list, select none. This creates an app on Jekyo that's temporarily empty. We will then link our local app to this empty app on Jekyo. Give your app a name. It doesn't have to match to your folder. It can be anything else. Now link your local app by running Jekyo link. From the list, select your recently named app, in my case, my Saber. Now simply run Jekyo deploy. The deployment process can take up to a few minutes depending on your app. Now the app is deployed and I can follow the link to see it live on Jekyo. If you need to update your live app, add the modified file to the Git index, commit your changes and simply run Jekyo deploy again. You will see your changes live in a few moments without any downtime. Feel free to post any questions you might have in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.